The German philosopher Arthur Schopenhauer really hated his colleague Hegel. He called Hegel's work a pseudo-philosophy that cripples all mental powers and suffocates real thinking, and described the philosopher himself as a flat-headed, insipid, nauseating, illiterate charlatan. When the young Schopenhauer was a lecturer in Berlin, he scheduled his seminars to be at the same time as the lectures of the older and already famous philosopher Hegel. He hoped that no one would go to Hegel's lectures and that they would all go to his own classes. What happened is exactly the opposite. Almost no one went to Schopenhauer's classes, while hundreds went to Hegel. This certainly fueled Schopenhauer's hatred for the famous German idealist even more.